It does not matter where you are right now or who you have been. If you have faith and a relentless desire to succeed, you can really achieve anything in this world. Have faith, you will be great, and go get it.
Hi everybody, thanks for checking out the video. This is Gentler Volume 2. Okay, so basic workout for the legs today. We're going to do some high knee walks, some butt kickers, some plie squats, some side to side lunge, and some calf raises. Okay, I'm going to be wearing a weighted vest just to make it a little bit more difficult. Remember guys, this is gentler, this is simple, easy,
30 seconds
for beginners. Alright guys, our first exercise, just 30 seconds of each one, high knee walk. So bring your knee up to your hand on the opposite side. Just walking on the spot with a high knee walk for 30 seconds. Okay, keep your back straight. We're going to do each exercise 4 times. Okay, just 30 seconds of each exercise. Okay, so just getting you warm. Okay, walking on the spot, bringing the knee up.
30 seconds to
Okay, gentle butt kick. So we're going to go one and the other. Off we go. Okay, back straight, head up. Kicking your heel to your bum. That's all you do. Okay, I've got my hands facing up, so I can just kick my palms. No, I went far enough. You just lift your feet as high as you can. If that's all you can do, that's okay. Okay, one to the other. One and the other. Walking on the spot, one side to the other. Okay, turn your toes out. We'll go plie squat, hands in the hip, and we're going to sit down and then come back up. Easy. Down, back up. You're going to go halfway if you need to. Down, back up. Just look at the angle. Down and up. Knees are going in the line of my toes. So my toes are about 90 degrees from each other, okay? So we've got one toe facing that way, one toe facing that way.
30 seconds.
Alright, only as wide as your knees go, okay guys? Side to side lunge. Take the feet wide, just as wide as you can go. Bend one knee. Come up. Bend the other knee. Back straight, head up. A nice little stretch in the inner thigh. One to the other. Back straight, head up, core tight. One to the other. Toes in.
30 seconds, 5.
And back up. Good. Now calf raise. You can do this one on the floor. I'm going to demonstrate the first time on the floor. But I'm going to employ a step for the next set. Okay? If you haven't got a step, that's okay. Alright, or you can nip out to the stairs if you have them. Only go as far as you can do. Up, down. There's a basic calf raise. Okay? Let's work out for the legs, a little bit of core today.
30 seconds,
That's
6.
great. That's first set done, guys. Okay, here we go. Second set, high knee walk. Off we go. Back straight, head up. Alternating one knee to the other. Okay, we're going to do each exercise 4 times for just 30 seconds. We're going to make it continuous, okay? Just 10 minutes every day. You'll be amazed what you can achieve. High knee walk. 1
30
to
seconds,
the
7.
other. Butt kicks. Kick up, kick up. That's it. Kick and kick. Back straight, head up, one to the other. Keep it going. Rock from one foot to the other, kicking your heel up on each one. There we go. Okay, all lower body. Biggest muscles in the body.
30 seconds, 8.
Biggest muscles in the body, burn more calories using the legs. So, turn the toes out, sit, come back up. Hands on your hips. Sit. Back up. Sit down, knees out. Back up. Down. Back up. Okay, you gotta stick your butt out a little bit. And come back up. Got a plie squat. Like in ballet.
30 seconds, 9.
Down and back up. Side to side lunge. Feet wide, toes in. One and the other. So you're doing a squat to one side. The other leg stays straight. 1 and the other. Okay, rather than just walking on the spot, we're using the leg muscles in multiple directions, building up that ability to move laterally and in various different directions.
30 seconds.
So you've got more secure joints and better balance, better stability in your muscles. Okay, calf raise. Now I'm going to go to the step this time. So, if you're using a step, below the step, above the step. Below, above. Below, above. If you're doing it on the floor, that's absolutely fine. Up, down. Up, down. Good.
30 seconds, 1.
Alright, good stuff. Alright, third round of 4. Here we go. High knee walk. Alright, if you're still with us, you're doing great. Okay? If you're starting to breathe heavy or take a rest or anything, go ahead and take a rest. Okay? Alright, remember, if you're exercising, you're lapping all those sitting on the couch doing nothing. Okay, guys? That's all that matters. Okay? That we work a little bit more.
30 seconds, 2.
Make sure we're getting some results. All right. Butt kicks, kicking our butt. 1 and 2. Okay, maybe a little speed on this one. Here we go. Just a little quicker. Get a nice rhythm. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Great.
Seconds, 3.
Excellent. Okay, plie squat. Toes out. Okay, toes out. Sit it down. Stand it back up. Down, back up. Okay, toes are about 90 degrees. Got one to my left, one straight forward. My knees go as wide as my toes. Back straight, head up.
30 seconds, 4.
Very good, everybody. Side to side lunge. Let's give you a different angle on this one now. So we're bending the right knee, back to the middle, the left knee. Okay, so you got one leg straight, one leg bending. 1 and 2. Okay, back straight, head up, tummy tight. I'm gonna hold our upper body like it wants to look. Okay, not slumping.
30 seconds, 5.
Up straight. Okay, calf raise. Calf raise. Alright, if you got your step, go ahead and do it. I'm touching the ball very lightly, okay, just for a little bit of balance. And I'm trying to use my core to help me balance. Remember, if you haven't got a step, we're just doing calf raise. Up and down like that. Alright. Up and down. Lift and lower. Lift with those calves. Good. Okay, we're on to our final round. Here we go. Honey walk. Last round. Okay, give yourself a pat on the back. In just 2.5 minutes. Okay. Walking high knee. Okay, if you're getting a little fitter, maybe go into a high knee run. Alright? But remember, there's no rush. Okay? If you want to stay with this, that's okay. High knee walk. Alright, I'm going to show you some slightly more advanced ones so you can start maybe increasing 1 or 2. Butt kicks. Butt kicks can be taken into a butt kick run. Okay, make sure you get nice strong knees, good balance if you're going into the run. Alright. If you're just doing that one, that's okay. That's absolutely fine.
30 seconds.
Good. Okay, plie squat. So we got 2 versions. We can either do one little bit, down again, all the way back up. So all the way down, halfway, all the way down back up to make it a little harder. Or add that mini jump. It's a mini jump. Just watch your knees. Okay, if you just want to do the basic, that's okay. All the way down, all the way up. So it's good to
30 seconds.
do variations, okay? Make it a little more creative, even if it's like 5 seconds. All right, side to side lunge. To the side, to the other side. Last 2. Okay, let's keep it going. If you want to make it harder, you can push off that leg. You go to the other side. Push off this leg. Okay, so you go down, up, lift the knee, down,
30
and then come back to
seconds.
the middle and repeat down the other side. Calf raise, for me, this is more advanced. So you can do it this way. Make sure you've done those calf raises. Okay, or if you haven't got a step, you can do pogos. Jumping through your calves. A little mini jump off the floor. Okay, if you want to stick to basic, up, down.
Finish.
Excellent, everybody. There you go, guys. Let's see part 2 or volume 2 of our gentler series. Okay, remember, if you're a beginner and you're starting out, you know, I got more respect for you than even the most advanced people. Okay, I respect everybody, but I got more respect for you because it's hard getting started. Just remember, consistency is the key, and vary what you do. Don't stick to the same thing every day. Don't do the same workout every day. Vary it up. Check out our channel. Try out some different workouts. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And of course, have a fantastic day, everybody. Thanks a lot.